If you want to get more likes on Skool, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll dive straight into the best strategies to increase engagement and get more likes on your Skool posts. Stick around till the end for a major reveal that could totally change how you approach Skool and community building. Let's start with the basics. To boost likes, it all starts with content that resonates. The more relatable, helpful, and thought provoking your posts are, the more likely people are to engage. Think about the audience you're targeting. What are their struggles, dreams, and goals? Address those in your posts, and you'll naturally get more likes. Next, make sure your posts are visually appealing. Skool is a community-driven platform, but that doesn't mean your posts can't stand out. Use images, videos, or even just well-formatted text to make your content pop. A simple, well-designed post catches the eye and invites interaction, whether that's likes, comments, or shares. The third thing is consistency. The more active you are on Skool, the more visibility your posts will get, which increases the chances of getting likes. If you post sporadically, people won't engage as much. So, make it a habit to post regularly, but don't overwhelm your followers. Quality over quantity is key. Next, engage with others. Skool is all about community, so be sure to interact with other members. When you comment on others' posts, like their content, or even start conversations, you create a stronger presence in the community. And here's a trick. When you interact with others, they're more likely to return the favor by liking your posts. The fifth thing is timing. When you post matters more than you think. Pay attention to when your audience is most active on Skool. Post during peak hours, whether that's in the morning or late in the afternoon. Timing your posts just right can make a huge difference in engagement and likes. Now, this is a big one. Skool has groups, and getting your posts featured in groups that are highly active is a smart way to gain traction. Group posts are seen by more people, and when you make your posts stand out there, you're more likely to attract those likes. And here's a pro tip: always encourage engagement. Ask questions or offer polls in your posts to prompt likes. The more you ask for input, the more likely people will engage, which leads to more likes. Now, let's talk about the competition. Other platforms might claim to offer similar community building tools, but none quite compare to Skool's seamless blend of simplicity and power. That said, if you're serious about getting more likes on your content, you'll want to check out a platform that's even better suited for engagement, one that doesn't just rely on the basics. I'll mention that at the end, so stay tuned. Finally, I've got something exciting to share. If you're looking for an extended, exclusive free trial to Skool, I've got you covered. But wait, there's more. I'm also recommending some powerful alternatives that could be the key to getting the likes you're after. They offer great trials, too, and are often better at helping you reach your goals. Through our link, you'll get the best trials and exclusive benefits, only available to our viewers. Don't miss out on this opportunity to level up your content game and get more likes on Skool.